Hello, what's your name?
Hello,
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine.
Where are you from?
Yeah.
You are from Thailand?
Yeah.
Okay. So, what's your name?
My name Kwan.
Kwan.
Yeah.
Kwan. Okay, nice to meet you, Kwan.
Yeah. Nice to meet you.
Okay, I am from
ส
Bangladesh.
วัสดี
I am from Bangladesh.
Oh, okay. Nice to meet you too.
Okay, thank you.
I don't know English.
You can't speak English?
No. I speak English a little bit.
Okay, no problem. So, Kwan, can you teach me some Thai language? Can you teach
Ah.
me? Okay, so how to say hello in Thailand?
Hello สวัสดี
What?
สวัสดี
Sawati.
Yeah.
Okay, Sawati Kwan.
Yeah. สวัสดีครับ
Okay, thank you. Can you teach? Oh, who is beside you? Who is beside you? Your friend?
Sister. Young sister.
Hello. What's your name?
What?
What's your friend name?
Hello.
What's your friend name?
Young sister, my name is Kan.
Khan. Her name is Khan.
Kan. Yes.
Okay. Hello, Khan.
Hello. Hello.
How are you?
Why? Huh? I'm good. I'm good.
Okay. Khan, please teach me more Thai language. How to say how are you in Thailand?
คุณ
Khor,
คุณเป็น
khutpet,
อย่างไร
angrai,
อ่า
khutpet, angrai.
คุณเป็นอย่าง คุณเป็นอย่างไรบ้าง
Khuk peang langwa. Right?
นั่นแหละ
Okay.
Yes, sir. You very good.
Okay. You looking so beautiful, and your friend is also looking so beautiful.
Thank you.
Welcome. Do you have any boyfriend?
No, I don't have.
Okay, your friend
No.
your friend is also single, right?
What?
Hello.
Hello.
Do you have any boyfriend?
Don't have. Don't have.
Don't have. Okay. If I propose you, will you accept me?
No.
Why no?
Because young sister, I don't like you.
Okay.